Hello guys, welcome again to Afronix. I think this is the third video doing Arduino project in Process 8 with the help of ChatGPT. Alright, so in our previous video we were able to set up two LEDs like this. Then we set an instruction in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT suggested these patterns and gave us an Arduino code based on this pattern, and this is how the LEDs are blinking exactly too. With that being said, today we have to be more creative in the sense that we want to put on multiple LEDs and then we give instruction to ChatGPT. So with that, let us go into the circuit construction. This is how we connected our circuit in the previous video. Let me clear the circuit and then we construct a new one. Stop. Get rid of these ones. Now, what we need to do is to copy this particular block, copy block, and then we try to make it 10. We have 2 already, it means 8. Alright, so we have made it 10, but mind you, we have to change the out. These are called input pins. We have to change the input pins. So this is up to 2. So let us increase the others up to 10. From 2, we go straight to 3. Alright, interesting. We have labeled it from 1 to 10. So we also have to fix the outputs to the Arduino from 1 to 10. So let us get rid of these ones. Okay, so we go to output here. We can fix it from pin 2 to up to 10. We are starting from 2, so we'll be connecting from pin 2 up to pin 11. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let us label it. Good. All right, so all we need to do is to combine all this to one ground. Good, interesting and neat. All right, so we have to now head on to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate for us a code that will display or blink these LEDs in an amazing pattern. With that being said, let us head on directly to ChatGPT. All right, so in our previous video, this was the code that was generated by ChatGPT. So now we want to give it an instruction. So we can paste. I've written down the instruction. I'm going to paste it and I will read it to you. Okay, it goes like this. I have connected 10 LEDs to Arduino from pin 2 to 11 exactly, right? Good. So I want you to generate a code that will blink these LEDs starting from 1 to 10, 10 to 1, middle to left and right, and from left and right to the center. So let us send it and see what ChatGPT can generate for us. This is amazing. all you need to do is to set your idea across to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate the code for you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good. And everything is being explained here. And if you look at the code, it has set the code on how we want it. At first, number of LEDs, it has selected the number of pins for the LED. These are the intervals in milliseconds. Then we have initialization of the LEDs as output, and also blinking of LEDs. The first pattern was from 1 to 10, and the second pattern was 10 to 1, and another pattern was middle, that is from middle LED to left, from middle LED to right, and then from left and right to the center. Let us copy this code and see how it will display for us. Copy. Go to our Arduino IDE, Control A, paste, Control V to paste what we have copied, compile it. It's going smoothly. It's done compiling. Then we collect our hex file down. Move on to Proteus 8 and paste the link in Arduino here in Proteus 8. Now we've done that. Let us run and see how the LEDs will blink. At the count of 2, we go 1, 2. Amazing. And then go from 10 to 1. Now middle to left, middle to right, and then right and left to the center. Exactly what we told ChatGPT to do. That's what exactly ChatGPT did. So guys, this is how you become more innovative when you want to do your Arduino project. This you can do it in Proteus 8 if you don't have budget, if you don't have component. But if you have the hardware, you can easily connect your circuit and then upload it into the hardware. It will behave the same way. If you haven't subscribed to Afronics yet, you are indeed missing out. Smash that red button now so that when a new video is being uploaded, you will not miss out. With that being said, and with that being done, thank you for watching this video.